Alright guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. Today we're going to be putting together some flowers on the balcony. I wanted to talk to you guys about some cheap way that you can actually make something look really, really nice. So we've got some paint that we got on sale for $4.50, some Rust-Oleum paint. We actually went and picked up some of these pots here. These pots were $1.50 and they're balcony pots. So you can just put them on there, put your plants on there, and make it look really nice. The other thing, though, that we are talking about is that we were doing some stuff where we wanted to spray paint, make it look like it's part of the balcony. Now over here you can see that we did some of the balcony already, and we used this patina kind of spray paint that we're working on. So over here we're actually going to do the same thing with the pots. So I started to spray paint the pots so that you can kind of see how it's going to look once it's finished with the pots and how it's going to blend in. So now you can see when we put it together with the part that's already been painted, it looks like it's actually part of the whole entire fence, and it's made to be there. So something I wanted you to see, and basically it was really cheap and inexpensive for us to do it. So you're talking $4.50, $1.50, and now you've just beautified this railing even better. All right, so stay tuned, please subscribe, and we got some more stuff coming. Thanks again.